Hi, today I'm going to show you an easy kiwi life hack. Now, when you're trying to, say, peel a kiwi, most people cut off the ends. And then kind of slice down the sides, getting to the inner part of the fruit. But by doing this way, you're wasting an awful lot of kiwi inside the skin. So, a much easier way to do this would be take a kiwi, cut off the ends, sometimes it's easier said than done. Take a tablespoon, put it right underneath the skin of the kiwi, and go around in a circle. Getting in to the fruit of the kiwi. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.